Iphini likakhomishana wamaphoyisa uthi Jane Mosigidi uthi ozoke nje ephule umthetho uzoyikhotha impenge yomile.
It is therefore important to note that anyone who is found to be contravening the law will be dealt with accordingly. Both the DPCI, affectionately known as the Hawks, and detectives are already addressing inquiries in relation to intimidation and incitement of violence through the use of social media.
Uthi angeke bavumele ukuvala kwemigwaqo kuleli.
The NARC joints will not allow any barricading of the national, provincial and municipal roads, public violence, the burning of tires and placing of rocks and debris to blockade roads, as well as looting will not be allowed.
Wexwayise labo abasabisa osomabhizinisi ngokuthi bangalokothi bavule amabhizinisi abo.
We caution those behind this act to refrain from instilling fear and from bullying our community members and businesses.
Unxuse abagqugquzeli bemashu kuba basebenzisane namaphoyisa ukuze nabo bavikeleke.
We are still encouraging our organizers of the protest to rather work with the security cluster through the metros and municipal police at the local level so that the law enforcement agencies can protect the protesters as well.
Kube wathi basebenzisana nezinhlaka ezahlukene ukulwa nobugebengu. Ubese nxusa ke abantu bakuleli kuba basebenzisane namaphoyisa ekulweni nobugebengu.